Welcome to Video SOP for ATEN KVM switch deployment. In this video, you can learn how to configure AD, LDAP without schema group type method on ATEN KVM over IP switch. Today, we use KN8132B as an example. Later, the user ID I will use, DANIS, to do the demonstration. You can confirm the ID DANIS does not exist in this user list. Also, we haven't created a group account yet. Go to the authentication page, find the AD, LDAP settings. Put a check in the Enable checkbox to allow LDAP's authentication and authorization. Clean the original configurations. Let's re-enter these settings. In order to show you the whole configuration, we create a new LDAP administrator in the AD server. The new LDAP administrator ID is for AD connection. Key in the LDAP administrator username and its password. Next, enter the admin DN. For this admin DN field, find the distinguished name of this LDAP administrator in the AP server. CN =, for AD connection, names the entry. We ignore the first paragraph. The following characters stand for the parent DN for this user. We take the following characters, key in these characters in admin DN field. For the search DN, the distinguished name will depend on where you create the user ID in the AD server. In this example, user will be created in the same location as administrator for AD connection. Because they have the same parent DN, we use the same distinguished name as administrator. Entered in search DN file. Click Save button, finish the AD, LDAP setting on KVM over IP switch. Let's us check the user list again. Account DANIS does not exist in the user list. Try log in with account DANIS. Because DANIS does not exist in the user list, you are unable to log in. Next, we will show you how to allow account DANIS to log in this KVM switch, if this account does not exist. Create new user DANIS in the AD server. Create a group in the AD server. The group name is AD Group. Add user DANIS to this group. Next, create a same group name as add group in this KVM over IP switch. Put a check in the system log checkbox. We grant this group permission to access system log. And this group can access the KVM port from port 1 to port 5. Now, let's log in with the account Dennis. This time, user Dennis can log in the KVM switch. He can see the port 2 is online and can access the system log page. What if we remove the system log permission from this group? Log in with the account Dennis again. User Dennis cannot access to the system log anymore. One more testing. What if we remove KVM port 2 permission from this group? Check the user list again. User Dennis does not exist in the user list. Log in with the account Dennis. You are unable to see the KVM port 2 online status, because this account does not have the access permission. On this KVM switch, you don't need to create the user ID, but a group ID same as the group in the AD server. In the session page, you can see user Dennis does log in, but this account does not exist in the KVM switch. This is AD, LDAP authentication without schema group type method. Only groups in AD server are matched. User privileges are the ones configured for the groups he belongs to on the switch. Thanks for watching ATEN KVM over IP switch deployment.